Alright, magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Update tayo. Meron tayong nakitang post dito, Antique News Update Today ang nag-upload. Ito ay patungkol sa konteksto behind the graduation toga issue in Lawaan, Antique. Ito yun mga kaibigan. Nandito yung ilang mga detalye, mga bagay na dapat nating malaman kung tayo ay nakikichika patungkol dito. So following the viral video showing emotional reactions from students during their graduation ceremony in Lawaan, Antique, more details have surfaced explaining what may have led to the situation. So dito natin malalaman kung ano yung detalye patungkol sa eksenang yan. A parents meeting was held before the ceremony to decide on attire for senior high school graduates. Out of 249 parents, 166 reportedly attended and agreed on the use of togas. So 249, nakakalahati ba yung 166? Yes, nakakalahati yan mga kaibigan. So sa mga ganitong meeting, alam naman natin yan that majority wins. So matik on this meeting, sa detalye pa lang on numbers, masusunod na talaga na dapat magsuot ng toga kasi mas marami sa mga parents ang nag-agree. However, the school principal raised concerns about the 84 students whose parents were absent. So absent yung iba. Asking who would provide togas for them. Since no one volunteered to sponsor the rest, she proposed that all students wear long-sleeved shirts instead to maintain uniformity and prevent anyone from being left out due to financial reasons. So meron palang rason si Madam Principal, mga kaibigan. Eto na yon. Yun na yung sabi niya, the school principal mismo daw ang nag-raise ng concern para sa 84 parents na wala during that meeting. So, parang sinuggest na niya na pinopose na ni Madam Principal na maging uniform na lang din lahat. Na ang susuotin na lang nila ay long-sleeved shirts to maintain uniformity and prevent anyone from being left out due to financial reasons. Well, may point naman siya. Pero yun nga lang, on the graduation day, sinuot yung toga. Baka naapakan yung ego ni Madam Principal. Despite this agreement, just 2 days before the graduation, some class advisors allegedly instructed students to go ahead and wear their togas. Well, okay, so nakalagay dito mga kaibigan, some advisors daw, some class advisors allegedly lang naman, no? Hindi natin alam kung totoo to, na ituloy pa rin ng mga estudyante ang pagsusuot ng kanilang toga, saying it would be impractical to change clothes just for photos. This led to a mixed turnout during the ceremony. Some students wore togas while others didn't, sparking disappointment and emotional reactions from students and parents. The principal later clarified that she only approved togas for photo taking. Pang photo taking lang daw yon. Pero for the ceremony, tatanggalin nila yon. Okay? Not for the awarding ceremony itself. Alright? Okay naman. Kung maintindihan naman pala natin to. She also raised concerns that some parents were allegedly renting out togas for 200 to 300 pesos, possibly turning the situation into a business opportunity. May rason si Madam Principal kung ito man ay totoo, mga kaibigan. Adding to the tension is the principal's history. Nadagdag to mga kaibigan, nasabi na rin natin to sa previous video natin. She was the subject of a protest by parents, teachers, and students outside her previous school assignment, where demonstrators called for her removal. So may mga umapila noon na ipajonggal na si Madam Principal. The controversy allegedly led to around 500 students transferring to other schools. So may mga nagprotesta, may mga estudyante rin na nagtransfer ng ibang school. Transferring to other schools due to widespread dissatisfaction with her leadership. Okay, may mga nagsialisan dahil hindi raw sila satisfied sa kanyang leadership. With the latest incident, the Department of Education Antique Schools Division has requested a full incident report and will release an official statement after a thorough review. In the meantime, the hope remains that graduation ceremonies can return to being events of unity, celebration, and fairness for all. Eksena, mga kaibigan, no? Comments!